Ever felt like you're falling behind just because you don't know how to code or design? Like there's this invisible barrier between your great ideas and actually bringing them to life? But here's the thing, the landscape is shifting and fast. Don't worry, AI has your back. Today on Insight Stream, we're diving into how AI tools are empowering people from non-computer backgrounds to work smarter, faster, and without needing to touch a single line of code. Think about it. For years, complex tasks required specialized knowledge, often expensive software, and a steep learning curve. If you wanted a professional-looking website, a well-edited video, or even a compelling piece of marketing copy, you either had to learn the skills yourself or hire someone. AI is democratizing these capabilities, putting powerful tools directly into your hands, regardless of your technical expertise. This isn't about AI replacing human creativity or skill, it's about augmenting it. It's about giving you, the individual with the vision, the means to execute that vision more efficiently and effectively. We're talking about tools that can help you draft an email, design a social media post, generate a voiceover, organize your research, or even create an entire video from a simple text prompt. The best part? Most of these tools are designed with user-friendliness at their core. If you can type a message or click a button, you're already halfway there. Let's get into it. 14. Alright, so first up, let's talk about something that impacts almost everyone: writing. Whether it's crafting the perfect email to a client, developing engaging lesson plans for students, putting together a comprehensive business report, or even brainstorming marketing copy that actually converts, the blank page can be pretty intimidating. This is where AI writing assistants like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude come into play. These aren't just fancy spell checkers, they are sophisticated language models that can generate human-like text based on the prompts you give them. You essentially tell them what you need and they get to work, drafting content for you. The core idea here is conversational AI. You interact with these tools much like you would message a very knowledgeable assistant. Need to write a polite follow-up email after a meeting? Just ask it. Draft a follow-up email to name after our meeting on date about topic, thanking them for their time, and reiterating the key action points we discussed. The AI will then generate a draft that you can review, tweak, and send. This saves an incredible amount of time, especially for those repetitive writing tasks that can eat up your day, allowing you to focus on the more strategic aspects of your work. For educators, imagine generating multiple variations of quiz questions, creating detailed outlines for new courses, or even getting help to explain complex topics in simpler terms for different learning levels. Business owners can leverage these tools for drafting internal communications, creating initial drafts of proposals, or generating product descriptions. Writers and marketers can use them to overcome writer's block, brainstorm blog post ideas, create outlines for articles, or even generate different versions of ad copy to see what resonates best with their audience. The versatility is a huge part of their appeal. Of course, it's crucial to remember that these are assistants. The output they provide is a starting point, a really good first draft. You'll always want to review, edit, and add your personal touch, your expertise, and ensure factual accuracy. Think of it as having a junior writer on your team who's incredibly fast and full of ideas, but still needs your guidance and final approval. They handle the heavy lifting of getting words on the page, so you can refine and perfect the message. It's about collaboration, not complete delegation, especially for critical communications. The beauty of these platforms is their continuous improvement and accessibility. Many offer free tiers that are incredibly powerful, allowing anyone to start experimenting and integrating them into their workflow. As you get more comfortable, you can explore more advanced prompting techniques to get even more tailored and nuanced results. The key is to be specific with your requests. The more context and detail you provide the AI, the better the output will be. It's a learning process for both you and the AI, but the potential to streamline your writing tasks is immense. Next up, let's tackle the visual side of things. For many, the idea of creating a professional-looking poster, a sharp resume, or an eye-catching Instagram post feels completely out of reach without formal design training or expensive software. If you've ever stared blankly at a design program, overwhelmed by all the tools and options, you're not alone. This is precisely where Canva, especially with its integrated AI features like Magic Design, is changing the game. It's built from the ground up to be intuitive for non-designers. The premise is simple. You have an idea for a visual, but not necessarily the skills to execute it from scratch. With Canva's AI, you don't need to. You can simply tell it what you need. For example, you could type "create an Instagram post for a bakery announcing a new cupcake flavor," or "design a flyer for a school bake sale." The AI then processes your request and within moments presents you with a range of ready-made, customizable templates. It's not just about slapping some text on a background. It considers layout, color palettes, and even suggests relevant imagery. This is a massive time saver and a confidence booster. Instead of starting with a daunting blank canvas, you get several professionally designed starting points. From there you can easily tweak elements, change the text, swap out images, adjust colors, all within Canva's user-friendly drag-and-drop interface. No need to understand layers, vector paths, or complex masking techniques. It's designed to empower you to create something that looks good quickly. This is incredibly valuable for small business owners managing their own social media, teachers creating classroom materials, or students needing to make presentations pop. The AI doesn't just stop at initial template generation. Many of Canva's magic features extend to editing as well. Need to remove a background from an image? There's an AI tool for that. Want to generate an image from a text description to include in your design? That's possible too. It's like having a design assistant built right into the platform, ready to help you refine your visuals without needing to jump between different, complicated applications. This integration makes the entire design process smoother and more accessible than ever before. Ultimately, Canva with AI democratizes design. It lowers the barrier to entry, allowing anyone to produce high-quality visuals that can help them communicate their message more effectively. Whether you're promoting an event, building your personal brand, or just trying to make your school project look more polished, these AI-powered design tools give you the ability to create compelling graphics without needing a degree in design or years of experience with traditional software. It's about making good design achievable for everyone. Alright, let's shift gears from visuals to audio. Creating a podcast, narrating a video, or even just cleaning up audio from an interview used to require specialized equipment, quiet recording environments, and often a good understanding of audio editing software. For many, this was a significant hurdle. But now, AI tools like ElevenLabs and Descript are fundamentally changing how we approach audio production, making it accessible even if you don't have a professional studio or an audio engineering background. ElevenLabs is particularly well known for its incredibly realistic AI voice generation and voice cloning capabilities. Imagine needing a voiceover for a presentation or an explainer video. Instead of hiring a voice actor or struggling to record it yourself, you can type out your script, choose a synthetic voice, and have the AI generate the narration for you. Even more impressively, with proper consent and samples, it can create a digital clone of your own voice. This means you could speak new lines or correct mistakes in a recording without having to re-record the entire thing. The quality is getting astonishingly good. Descript, on the other hand, takes a unique approach to audio and video editing by treating it like a Word document. When you import an audio file, it automatically transcribes it. Then, instead of fiddling with waveforms, you can edit the audio by simply editing the text. Delete a word or a sentence in the transcript and Descript removes the corresponding audio. It also offers features like Studio Sound, an AI-powered tool that can remove background noise and enhance voice quality with a single click, making even a poorly recorded track sound much more professional. Think about the implications for content creators. Podcasters can easily edit out filler words, UMS and A's, or mistakes, clean up interview audio recorded over a noisy internet connection, and even generate transcripts for accessibility. Video creators can quickly generate high-quality voiceovers, correct narration errors without reshooting, or add subtitles effortlessly. For educators creating online courses, this means clearer audio for their students. For businesses, it means more polished audio for marketing videos or internal training materials, all without a steep learning curve. These tools aren't just about convenience, they're about breaking down technical barriers. The ability to generate natural-sounding speech from text, or to edit complex audio by manipulating simple text, opens up audio production to a much wider audience. You no longer need to be an expert in equalization, compression, or noise reduction to get good results. While there's still a place for professional audio engineers for high-end productions, AI is empowering everyday users to achieve a level of quality that was previously out of reach without significant investment in time and resources. So we've covered writing, design, and audio. Now let's talk about organization and productivity, which are crucial for pretty much everyone. Whether you're a teacher managing lesson plans, a project manager juggling tasks, or a researcher compiling information. Tools like Notion and Airtable were already powerful for organizing work and data, but with the integration of AI, they've become even smarter, acting like intelligent assistants embedded directly within your workspace. Notion AI, for example, can help you summarize long documents or meeting notes, extract key action items, brainstorm ideas, draft content, or even translate text, all without leaving your Notion workspace. Imagine you have pages and pages of research notes. You can ask Notion AI to give you a concise summary or list the main arguments. If you're stuck on how to start a project proposal, you can ask it to generate an outline. It's about reducing the mental load and speeding up those initial, often time-consuming parts of a task. Airtable AI brings similar intelligence to your databases and spreadsheets. It can help you analyze data, categorize information automatically, generate formulas, or even write scripts to automate repetitive tasks within your bases. For instance, if you're a teacher managing student progress, Airtable AI could help you identify trends in performance data. If you're a business owner tracking inventory, it could help you forecast demand or categorize new products based on their descriptions. It's about making your data work harder for you, uncovering insights you might have missed. The real power here is the contextual awareness. Because these AI features are integrated into platforms where your work already lives, they understand the context of your projects, notes, and data. This allows them to provide more relevant and useful assistance compared to a standalone AI tool where you'd have to copy and paste information back and forth. This seamless integration streamlines workflows significantly, making it easier to stay focused and productive within a single environment. For teachers, this could mean quickly generating study guides from lecture notes or creating personalized learning paths. For managers, it could involve automating status report summaries or identifying bottlenecks in project timelines. Researchers can accelerate their literature review process or organize findings more effectively. The goal is to automate the mundane, provide intelligent suggestions, and help you manage information more efficiently, freeing up your time and mental energy for higher-level thinking and creative problem-solving. These tools are evolving rapidly, becoming indispensable partners in managing complexity. Creating professional-looking videos often seems like a monumental task, typically involving script writing, finding visuals, recording voiceovers, editing footage, adding music, and creating subtitles. This usually requires multiple software tools and a good deal of technical skill. But what if you could take a script or even just a blog post and have AI turn it into a complete video? That's the promise of tools like Pictory Animoto with its AI features, and Lumen 5. They are designed to make video creation accessible to everyone, especially those without video editing experience. The core concept behind many of these platforms is script to video or article to video. You provide the text, perhaps a blog post you've written, a script for an explainer video, or even just a few key points, and the AI gets to work. It analyzes your text, breaks it down into scenes, and then automatically selects relevant stock video clips, images and animations from vast libraries to match the content of each scene. It's like having a video editor and a stock footage researcher working for you simultaneously. Beyond just finding visuals, these AI tools often help with other aspects of video production. Many can automatically generate a computer-generated voiceover from your script, or allow you to easily upload your own. They can suggest background music that fits the mood of your video, and automatically add subtitles, which is crucial for accessibility and engagement on social media. The result is a fully fleshed out video, often created in a matter of minutes, that you can then customize and refine. Think about the possibilities for small businesses wanting to create promotional videos or social media content. Marketers can quickly repurpose blog posts into engaging video formats. Educators can create instructional videos for their students without needing to become video editing wizards. Even individuals wanting to share a message or story through video can now do so with a much lower barrier to entry. The emphasis is on speed and simplicity, getting you from idea to a shareable video as quickly as possible. While these tools might not replace a high-end custom-shot video production for a major campaign, they are incredibly powerful for creating a large volume of good-quality video content efficiently. You can tweak the AI suggestions, swap out visuals, change text overlays, and adjust timings, all through relatively simple interfaces. They empower users to communicate visually through video, a medium that is increasingly dominant online, without the traditional complexities and costs associated with video production. It's about making video creation a viable option for more people and more types of content. Finally, let's talk specifically to the small business owners, the marketers, the entrepreneurs out there. One of the most persistent challenges is consistently creating compelling copy for product descriptions that sell, ads that convert, blog posts that engage, or social media updates that get noticed. Writer's block is real, and the pressure to produce fresh content can be immense. This is where AI writing tools specifically focused on marketing and sales copy, like Copy.ai and Jasper.ai, formerly Jarvis, really shine. These platforms are more than just general-purpose writing assistants. They are trained on vast amounts of marketing data and successful copy. They come equipped with a wide array of templates designed for specific marketing tasks. Need a catchy headline for a Facebook ad? There's a template for that. Struggling with the AIDA, Attention, Interest, Desire, Action framework for a landing page? They can help you generate copy structured that way. Need to write compelling bullet points for a product feature list? They've got you covered. The process is typically straightforward. You select the type of copy you want to create, provide some basic information about your product, service, or topic, like a brief description, target audience, and desired tone, for example, witty, professional, friendly, and the AI generates multiple options for you to choose from. This isn't about replacing your marketing strategy, but about supercharging your content creation process. It can help you brainstorm angles you hadn't considered, or phrase things in a way that's more persuasive. For a solo entrepreneur or a small marketing team, this is like having an extra copywriter on staff, available 24/7. It can dramatically speed up the process of drafting initial versions of website copy, email sequences, video scripts, and social media campaigns. The ability to generate multiple variations quickly also allows for easier A/B testing, so you can see which messages resonate best with your audience. This iterative process is key to effective marketing, and AI makes it much more manageable. Of course, just like with general AI writers, the output from Copy.ai or Jasper.ai is a starting point. You'll want to infuse your brand's unique voice, ensure accuracy, and tailor the message to your specific audience and campaign goals. But they provide a massive head start, helping you overcome the initial hurdle of content creation and allowing you to focus on refinement and strategy. For businesses looking to scale their content marketing efforts without massively increasing their budget or team size, these AI-powered copywriting tools are becoming indispensable. So, what we've seen today is just a glimpse into how AI is leveling the playing field, offering powerful capabilities to everyone, regardless of their traditional technical skill set. From crafting compelling text and designing stunning visuals to producing engaging audio and video, or even organizing complex projects and generating marketing copy, AI tools are here to augment our abilities. They are becoming the ultimate creative and productive co-pilots, ready to assist with the heavy lifting so we can focus on the bigger picture, the core ideas, and the human touch that makes our work unique. The key takeaway here is accessibility and empowerment. So if you've ever said, I have the idea but I don't know how to build it, now AI is your silent partner. Use it, explore it, let it enhance your work, not replace it.